Get hold of the free PDF for this design and the other Christmas minis via the link in this video description. Today we're stitching the naughty list design. Take a single strand of DMC 310 black and stitch all of the letters in backstitch. You'll want to do this on a fabric colour that works for your scroll, so something paper coloured or parchment coloured, as we won't be filling in the area around the letters, but rather the background around the scroll. Now stitch the outline for the scroll. Finally, take 3 strands or more of a nice festive colour. I used DMC colour 699 green and satin stitch the area all around the scroll. And that's our naughty list design all finished. Get hold of the free PDF for this design and the other Christmas minis via the link in this video description. Check out my previous videos for the mistletoe and wine stitch along and the Here for the Gifts stitch along. And stay tuned for the last video on how to turn these minis into wearable Christmas pin badges.